Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, we're going to be talking about the one hack that you never knew about. And this is going to get you your results at light speed. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. I just released my 4th course and it is called Subliminal Secrets. I have infused all of my energy, my power, my experience, and my knowledge into this course. Everything that I do to get results by listening to subliminals and by making subliminals is all in this course. They are my secret step-by-step guide, and the results speak for themselves. Hundreds of thousands of comments at this point have said that when they listen to my subliminals, they get instant direct results. I want you to experience the same thing. I want you to think of something that you want and instantly be able to create a subliminal for it in my way. This is my magical method. I tell you all there is to know about subliminals. You will have this course and this knowledge for the rest of your life. You will know how to create subliminals about anything. And the best part is that when you create the subliminal, or even if you don't want to create subliminals, I talk about the best practices for listening to subliminals to get instant results. Regardless of what you choose to do, you will be able to choose those subliminals, and all you have to do is listen to them. No techniques, no hardships. We always talk about in the law of assumption, having life be easy, and listening to subliminals is the closest thing to easily, effortlessly manifesting everything that you want instantly, because you don't even have to think or strain that pretty little head of yours. You can just literally listen to subliminals and get your results instantly that way. We are offering recurring payments, so just go on ritakaminski.com/courses and click Subliminal Secrets. There you will be able to see frequently asked questions and everything that you need to know about the course breakdown, all of the modules, what we are getting into in each module. And I'm just so freaking excited to see you in there and learn and grow and become experts at creating subliminals and consuming subliminals on a daily basis in a magical way where you will get your results instantly. Go on ritakaminski.com/courses and click that subliminal tab, or you can just click on the very first link in the description box down below and in the pinned comments for your convenience. And with that, I intend for this video to change your life for the absolute best. Let's get into it. The one hack that no one ever talks about when listening to your subliminals is when you're listening to those subliminals, I want you to pair that off with, and I talk about this in the course, actively being in the state of having that thing. As you're listening to the subliminal, in your mind, you're thinking, I have my SP, I'm in a happy relationship. If you are, for example, listening to a SP subliminal. Let's say you want to manifest financial freedom, you want to manifest making $1,000 a day. Well, you can create your own I make $1,000 a day subliminal. And then as you're listening to it, you are being the person that makes $1,000 a day right now. And you're not listening to this subliminal to get something. You're listening to this subliminal because it's not even a subliminal. What are you talking about? This is just listening to music. This is listening to calm beats. You are tricking your subconscious mind and you're literally just meditating in the knowing that you make $1,000 a day. No ifs, ands, or buts. That is just the reality right now. And when you listen to subliminals while you're in the state of already having that thing, magical things begin to happen because you're not listening from a place of, I want this so bad, I can't wait for it, I'm desperate, let me have it as soon as possible. You're listening to it from a place of already having, and that tells your subconscious mind that you already have it. And guess what? When that happens, the 3D pushes out exactly what it is that you want. All the subliminal did was give you that little bit of a push by inserting those affirmations in your subconscious mind. Another thing that I want to touch on is if you find yourself being resistant to living in the end or robotic affirming or doing any techniques, I want to give you the permission slip right now to just listen to subliminals, because I talk about this a lot in Subliminal Secrets and I go further deeper into this. But essentially, when you listen to those subliminals, what are subliminals? They are hidden affirmations that go directly to your subconscious mind. This has been scientifically proven. I talk about all of the scientific backed up examples and proof of that in Subliminal Secrets, but it's been scientifically proven that although your conscious mind is not listening, your subconscious mind is, and it pushes out because your subconscious mind is that much more receptive and is listening into those hidden affirmations. Well, because your subconscious mind is not hearing it, it is not resistant. It cannot argue with you. For example, if you're listening to a self-concept subliminal and for all of your life you have thought that you're not worthy of anything, you're not deserving of anything, you do everything wrong and you're ugly, whatever. When you're saying affirmations robotically or mindfully out loud or in your mind consciously, that of I have the highest self-concept ever, I am worthy and deserving of everything, I'm the most beautiful girl in the world, your conscious mind is going to want to argue with you. It's going to want to throw hands and begin to think, no, actually I have a low self-concept because the proof is in the pudding. I have always felt unworthy and the 3D has showed me that. So you're not going to believe it and you're going to argue with it, which is going to make your results not as quick as if you just dropped all of your resistance, right? So that's the magic with subliminals. If you are having any resistance, the hack for listening to subliminals and getting your results is literally not doing any other technique but listening to subliminals, because you're not going to be arguing with something that you can't hear in the first place. It's going to go straight through your subconscious mind and that's it. It's going to push out. Now, the third thing, I always say this, but I need to stress this in every single video. I want you to listen to these subliminals as much as possible for the biggest effect possible. You don't want to just listen once and let it go. Keep listening until that manifestation pushes out into your reality. There are so many other sacred teachings within the Subliminal Secret course. So again, don't forget to go on ritakaminski.com/courses and enroll. Or again, you can click on the very first link in the description box down below or in the pinned comments. It will absolutely change your life. I'm so certain of it, because listening to subliminals honestly has changed my life. I've been creating subliminals for 2 years now. I've been listening to subliminals for about 4 years now, and I have dedicated myself to see and work on what works and what doesn't, and know what does and what doesn't. And I have created the most sacred piece of art that encapsulates all of those teachings, because every time I listen to subliminals, I do these things and I get every manifestation instantly without me having to put in any of the work. Truly, it feels like magic, but it's not. It's just your subconscious mind seeping that information inside of itself without arguing with it, without being resistant. So go enroll in Subliminal Secrets. I will see you in there. I love you all so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it, and I hope you all have a beautiful day. Bye everyone. Love you.